Hey. Let me get you closer. Happy Sunday and day 6 of Vlogmas. And I'm not going to lie to you, baby, I've been in the bed. Baby, I've been deep under. I've been deep under the covers. And if I did not have to get up from underneath them covers, the vlog would have been me flipping the channels. I promise you. But I'm up and I am dressed a little bit because this evening I need to, of course I got to tell y'all what we're doing. I need to have a meeting with my classmates because we have a presentation due tonight. So we're going to do that this evening. I need to cook James and I some dinner because I have not cooked since Thanksgiving. And I'm not mad, okay? I don't feel bad, okay? That's the kind of life I want, okay? I cooked meals for 25 years. I don't want to cook no more, okay? But I'm going to cook us some dinner tonight. And I may actually put the dinner in the oven before I start my meeting. And, of course, I need to get ready because I do have to go outside for a few meetings this week. I'm going to be meeting students on tomorrow. And that's going to be a situation. Take a swig. Or maybe not. Okay, I'm not going to create the stories in my head. So I need to get ready for that and get my life wrapped around the week. So first things first, I'm going to start getting ready for my presentation, which starts at 5 o'clock. And then I'm going to do some dinner for me and James. Maybe we'll just have some fried potatoes and onions instead of putting them in the oven. That's what I think I'll do. And then I will get some dinner going, get some orders situated also because I do want to send out a few things. And get us a look together for tomorrow. So let's get started. And you know what I wanted to share with y'all? I actually do have, I am doing this entire Vlogmas on my phone. And because it is easier for me to navigate and have around with me. But I do have a whole vlogging camera. And this is the Canon EOS something. And I'm thinking about pulling it out because let me try to tell you something. The storage in my phone is gone. I ain't got no more. I be in here fighting for my life. So I'm thinking about pulling out my Canon and seeing how I can start using that. The only thing I do not like about using my cameras to vlog is because then I have to make sure I have an empty memory card. Well, I'm dealing with the same thing. But the memory cards, making sure you have all the attachments like the microphone and all of that stuff. It is heavier, a lot more noticeable when I'm out and about. And for me, it's actually the editing because I use editing software on my phone actually, and I enjoy it. It's easy. I can get it done. But I find that when I'm doing it from like my editing software on my computer, it's not as easy. It takes me way longer to do it. So I'm gonna see. I might pull this out. So I'm gonna pull it out now and charge the batteries and see what I can do. See if y'all like the difference. Maybe I'll do that today too. But for real, let me start because it is, what time is it? Oh, I still got stuff up. Oh, hey, hold the line. It's like 4 something. So I need to get ready. The meeting's at 5. Acquisition scale.
Okay, so like in the 5th year, I guess we could say $18.
Right. Right.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I think my stacks still match up with that.
Yeah. because like once you say like those numbers, like I'm just going back and I might read it, like I might touch on it, but I'm not going back over what what you said. So once you drop the numbers, I don't repeat the numbers again. All right, all right. So listen, I got one of my microphones. I told y'all I have a lot of equipment. And so I pulled out my microphone in the hopes that you can hear me a little bit better, especially because I'm so far away from where I'm recording. So we're getting ready for tomorrow. Of course, I have to leave out. And I already told you the rules. When I leave out of the house, I have got to have all of my clothes, everything laid out. So I actually washed the dress that I bought yesterday from the thrift store. I call it the goodie, so you're going to hear me use that interchangeably. So I washed the dress that I got from the goodie, and I am going to wear it tomorrow. So let's try it on and see how it fits. Now that it is washed and clean and ready to go, and we're going to try to put together a look for tomorrow. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So this is that black dress. I am loving the sleeves. You can't really see because I can't go any further back, but I have it on with a pair of tights. It comes to about the knee. So I like it. I think I like it. And it's supposed to be cold tomorrow. So I'm going to put it on with a pair of tights and a heel shoe for tomorrow. And don't laugh at me, y'all. The girl out of breath. Oh, baby. Listen, I hate wearing stockings and tights. I hate it. I hate everything about it because you be having to fight for your life. I don't care what nobody say. You be having, when you plus size, and probably when you any size, I can only speak to the fact because I'm plus size. You know what I mean? I got some extra. I wiggle and I jiggle. Okay, what I'm saying? I'm all right with it. But when you got that little plus on your size, oh God, when it's time to fight with a pair of tights, a stocking, a spank, a piece of hardware, baby. Oh my God, I was fighting for my life. And these stockings fit, so I can't even say like, "Oh, it's girl," it's because it don't fit, girl. It fit, girl. But you be fighting for your life. Hold on, let me see how this look in the mirror. I can't even see because I got that light is on. I don't know. I mean, I don't mind this shoe. I don't like a tight. Y'all, I hate tights, but it's cold. The girl can't go outside without a tight on. But let me get closer. This is really, really cute. And I'll promise this time I'm going to do I'll post how I actually put it together. I didn't do it the last time, but I don't mind. And I think I'm going to carry this bag. I haven't carried this Kurt Geiger bag in a minute. I think I'm going to carry this bag. Yes, I think that's so cute. So, 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 so cute. Because I have to wear. And I'm putting on Cruella. Like, let's not fake it. It's cold outside. You know who comes out? Cruella. Because one thing for certain, and two things for sure, the girl can't be cold. So you ain't got to worry about that. But I'm definitely going to carry her. She's stuffed. She not packed, but I stuffed the stuffing back in my bags because what I won't do is have my bags losing their shape. So I believe this is cute. This is cute. Okay. And then I'm going to I'm going to put on some Joe Malone. I don't wear this a lot, but it's a good amount in here. Joe Malone, Velvet Rose, and Oud. So this is the Joe Malone, Velvet Rose, and Oud. I'm going to wear that tomorrow. And of course, if you know me, you know I'm going to spray commodity milk. But I layer. So the body oil I'm going to be wearing tomorrow is Our Body Oil. And this is Ultimate. Yep. Body oil. So I'm going to wear that tomorrow. And now I need to get jewelry. So yeah, I think this is cute. I think this is going to work. I don't know about a necklace. I don't know. Maybe I'll put on. Ooh. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Let me figure this out. Okay, y'all. I added this little shirt. I got to iron it. And this earring and this little hat. So it looks cuter in person. Believe me. And this is like one of them little half shirt things. Like I got it from Amazon. Clearly it's wrinkled. But I think this is what I'm going to do for tomorrow. Y'all, did y'all know that I don't own a pair of stud earrings? Like I have no like black studs or like a regular little ball stud. I have nothing. Your girl has nothing. So that's something I need to add because I didn't want to wear a big earring. I kind of wanted just a stud. That's neither here nor there. Let me take this off. We got to look. I know it look rough right now, but tomorrow I promise I'm going to look better. I promise. All right, y'all, listen. I'm ready to call it a night. I got my clothes out. I'm not even cooking or nothing. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to order me and the boys something to eat. We're going to start celebrating his birthday early or whatever we gonna call it, and what we all gonna call it is a night. So I'm gonna call it a night. I'm going to go flip some channels and watch some of my favorite YouTube content creators. Thank you guys so much for joining me for day 6 of Vlogmas. I'm going to end it here, and I will see you tomorrow. Toodles.